Today I'm going to teach you how to inject custom CSS codes into Jotform forms. This is incredibly useful if you want to customize the look and feel of your forms beyond the standard design options, giving you complete control over colors, fonts, spacing, and layout to match your brand perfectly. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready, as you'll need to access your account to make these changes. After logging in, look towards the upper left corner of the page. You'll see an option labeled My Workspace. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select My Forms. This will take you to a dashboard where all your existing forms are displayed, making it easy to locate the one you want to customize. Now find the specific form you want to work with and click on it to select it. Once selected, you'll see an Edit Form button appear. Go ahead and click that button. This will open up the Form Builder interface, which is where all the magic happens when it comes to designing and customizing your forms. In the Form Builder, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a paint roller icon there. Click on this icon to open the Form Designer. This tool is essential for accessing advanced styling options, including the ability to inject custom CSS code directly into your form. Once the Form Designer is open, make sure you're on the Styles tab. From here, scroll down until you find a section labeled Inject Custom CSS. This is the area where you'll be able to add your own code to override or enhance the default styles of your form. In the code editor box provided, paste or type your custom CSS code. Whether you're adjusting button colors, changing font sizes, or modifying margins, this is where you input all those specific styling instructions. Take your time to ensure the code is correct, as even a small typo can prevent your styles from applying properly. After you've entered your custom CSS code, click anywhere outside the code editor box. This action will automatically save your changes, ensuring that your custom styles are stored and ready to be applied to your form. Finally, to see your changes in action, toggle on the Preview Form switch located in the top right corner of the screen. This will give you a live preview of your form with the custom CSS applied, allowing you to verify that everything looks exactly the way you intended before publishing. And that's it. You've successfully injected custom CSS into your Jotform form, giving it a unique and professional appearance tailored to your needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.